Hey, what's going on, everyone? Have a little shop update. A while back I had put a Gen 3 Coyote on the channel, did a Steeda cold air intake, and the Corsa catback, the active exhaust. Well, now the car is back and we are doing some pretty good upgrades. The first one will be headers, which I already got on the car, and they're also Corsa, so it matches up. So it matches up with the catback, and we took the little collector out, the bottleneck collector. So now it's a full 3-inch all the way back past the headers. And I also did the G-force one-piece drive shaft. Alright, so up underneath the car, here's the G-force drive shaft, one piece. And you can kind of see the headers. Hold on, it's gonna get a little noisy from the creeper, but so alright, here's a little better view of the headers. Like I said, Corsa all the way. And also then took the bottleneck out. That's what I like about when you have your headers and your catback match up, then you don't have to worry about specific cutting, welding, nothing like that. Everything bolts right up, makes the install way easier and just a better overall fit. So back out of the car, from underneath the car. Like I said, there's a few good upgrades. Alright, so we have the Steeda Stop the Hop kit. Comes with the IRS subframe braces, the toe links, the vertical links, and the subframe bushing support system, which has the alignment kit and the actual little subframe bushing support braces themselves. So yeah, that's the suspension that we're gonna do for now. Of course, the headers, the drive shaft, and one more item, which I will show right here. So the last item, as you can see, the tape, you can probably tell what it is. We have ourselves, the box don't want to stay open, little Whipple. So that'll be going on. And actually there's a few more things, but just to complement that, waiting on a few items, but have a harness connector for some plugs, some ID injectors, 1050X's I believe, yes, 1050s. We have our TSS sprocket, thermostat, and we are waiting for the oil pump gear and the, what else? The booster pump. Gonna be a pump gas car for now until we can get around to doing the fuel system, which will come at a later date. So I'll go ahead and put a little idle clip of the exhaust. This is from in the car after I got it fired up. I'll do the quiet mode, normal mode. There's a few revs in there, I believe. That'll pretty much be it for this video.